Hello, and welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out Gmail from Android using simple and safe methods anyone can follow. This guide will help you switch or remove accounts easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your phone. This is the app where all your emails are accessed and managed. Starting from Gmail makes it easier to control your signed-in accounts. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon shows the account currently in use. Tapping it opens account options linked to Gmail. Step 3. Tap on another account. This method signs you out of the current account and automatically signs you into a different one. It is useful when you only want to switch accounts, not remove them. Step 4. Or tap on Add another account and sign in with a new email or Gmail account. This also signs you out from the current account view. Step 5. We'll go back and tap Managed Accounts on this device. This option takes you to System Account Settings. It allows full control over all accounts added to your phone. Step 6. Tap the account you want to sign out. This opens Sync and Account Management options. Make sure you select the correct account before proceeding. Step 7. Tap Remove Account to sign out and remove the account from your device. This logs you out of Gmail completely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful phone tutorials.